Welcome to GetRide. We're excited to have you as part of our driver community. Let's get started with how to use the GetRide app. Switch to your driver account and go online to start receiving orders. Press the Details button to view information about the rider, fare, and locations. As a driver, you will also see if it is a paid online order or a cash order where you have to collect the payment from the rider at the end of the trip. After viewing the details, you'll see the offer price. The driver receives many customer requests and has the freedom to choose the best trip. GetRide empowers both riders and drivers with the freedom of choice, making this a strong point of our service. Drivers also have the ability to choose between riders who pay online and those who pay with cash. You have a limited time to accept the offer, bid higher, or bid lower. Your bid will be sent to the rider for acceptance. Once the rider accepts your offer, you can chat or call them to coordinate. Navigate to the rider's location for pickup. Upon arrival at the pickup location, the rider will receive a notification and should meet you within 2 minutes. After waiting for 2 minutes, the app will start charging the rider for waiting time. As a driver, if the rider does not show up, you can cancel the ride without paying a cancellation fee. Press the Pick button. Ask the rider for their one-time booking (OTB) code. Enter this 4-digit code to start the trip. This ensures both your safety and the rider's. Choose Google Maps or Waze for navigation. The app will guide you to the drop-off location. Press End Trip upon arrival. The rider will select a payment method: cash, card, or wallet. You also have the option to rate the rider, just as the rider leaves a review for you. Ensure the payment is completed to finish the trip. Congratulations! You're now ready to drive with GetRide. Stay safe and happy driving. Thank you for choosing GetRide. For any questions, reach out to us via the Chat with Us button on the app or email support@getservice.ca.